Happy wife, happy life.
Good evening, guys. Yes, it's evening na. It's actually 8 o'clock and I'm here outside Walmart. Ayan, nasa parking lot ako and Calbo was left with the twins at home kasi minsan kailangan mo ring lumabas. Tayong mga mami, kahit na obligasyon at responsibilidad nating manatili sa bahay for the babies and maglinis, mga ganyang gawaing bahay, minsan-minsan kailangan din natin ng space, ng me time. Anyway, kaya ako pumunta dito kasi I need to buy some stuff for myself, yung hindi alam ni Calbo kasi yung mga like pads, mga gamit ko sa mukha, ganun. So, kaya sinabi ko sa kanya pupunta ako ngayon kasi he just got home from Ashley's game and I don't have time in the morning kasi nga may pasok. Tapos pag uwi ko naman ng bahay, hindi ko naman pwedeng dalhin dito yung kambal kasi hindi ko sila kaya. Pag malaki-laki na sila, pag nakakalakad na, ayan, pwede ko na silang dalhin kahit na kaming tatlo lang kasi laging busy si Calbo kapag ganitong summer na. So, samahan nyo ako guys mag-shopping and then bibili pala ako ng mga ilalagay ko sa Easter basket ng dalawang babae kasi kulang pa. So bihira lang naman kasi kami gumastos sa kanila kapag Pasko lang tsaka birthday nila. So I don't mind buying them stuff for Easter. Kaya dadagdagan ko pa yung mga napamili ko kasi this Sunday na yung Easter. Ito guys, sa clothing section. Ganun talaga pag nanay na, no? I'm just looking for pajamas. Ayun, oh, ang cute nito. 0 to 3 months. Ang daming cute dito. Makapamili nga ng damit. Sabi ni Calbo, kaya ayaw kitang puntahin eh. Ang cute kaya. Kaya lang mainit na kasi. I'm going to try to find like yung manipis lang. Tsaka yung ganito, oh. Ayan, ang nipis niya lang. Pang 12 months pati. Kasya to sa kambal. Ang cute. Makabili nga. OMG. Guys, so take $5 lang. Makapamili nga sa kambal. Ang mura. I think, ayan, so 0 to 3 months. Kaya lang mga pang na kasi 12 months na. Ayoko ng ganito kasi meron na ang cute. Parang polo. Oh my goodness. Shopping ako. Look, ang ganda. I like this black. Kasi wala silang black. Mabilan nga yung kambal. Tsaka yung short nila ganun din yung price. Ang cute nito. Makalis na nga dito. Ubus ang pera ko dito. Ang cute kasi ng mga damit. Kaya lang hindi naman nila masuot lahat yun. Kaya pigilan ko na lang yung sarili ko. And tingin ako ng sando. Kasi wala pa silang sando. Pero siguro sa Carter's na lang kami bibili. Kaya lang mas mura kasi dito sa Walmart and malalakihan lang naman nila. So I'm still thinking about it. Ayun na guys, yung mga pinamili ko. Kunti lang naman yan. Pero nasa na yan. Mahigit $50. Kasi yung mga damit lang nila at wipes, nasa $50 na. And nandito mga damit. Natitempt ako tumingin. Pero I swear, didiretso lang ako. Kailangan kong bumili ng swimsuit kasi magsuswimming kami and maliliit yung swimsuit ko. Kaya lang ang mamahal, tingnan mo, $24 for swimsuit. Na ako mag-shopping. Saglit lang ako doon. 45 minutes nga lang ako. And kasi binigyan akong gift card ng aking team leader para sa kambal. Ang babait nila ng mga ka-work ko. Sobrang dami nilang naibigay na gamit sa kambal. And ito binigyan niya akong Walmart gift card worth $50. That's why I bought them clothes. Kasi kunti pa lang yung kanilang shorts. Meron silang shorts kaya lang mga pang-alis. So binilang ko sila ng pambahay lang. Yung parang pampunta lang sa kanilang babysitter everyday. 2 pair lang. So probably pag nakapagsahod na si Kalbo sa kanyang mowing, we probably go back here and get some kasi mura lang siya, $5 lang kaysa compare sa Kohl's or Carter's. So pag mga pambahay lang pwede na yung no name brand Walmart. And I like the parang polo na ang cute. Kaya lang parang ang naman isuot sa pambahay lang, parang pang-alis na siya, parang basta ang cute-cute, kaya ang sarap-sarap nilang bihisan kasi nga mga taba-ching-ching. So bumili din ako ng wipes kasi mas gusto ni Kalbo yung wipes na ganun kasi naiinis siya kapag pagtanggal ng wipes nadadala lahat. So mas gusto niya yung isang wipe ng Parents Choice, no name brand siya, ng Walmart, pero nahiyang naman yung kambal, hindi sila na-irritate yung skin nila, kaya yun na yung ginagamit namin. So yun yung binili ko. Bumili akong 6 pack and ano pa ba, mga deodorant para sa 2 babae. Lalagay ko sa kanilang yung spray kasi yung kanilang ginagamit, lalagay ko sa kanilang basket, and face mask para sa kanila. Yung binili ko lang sa sarili ko ay deodorant and pads kasi yun lang naman kasi yung talagang sadya ko dito. Tapos bumili na lang ako ng para sa kambal. So pauwi na ako and Kalbo is waiting on me.
Talk to me, baby.
Stop bouncing him.
He was having fun, weren't you?
Is that a roller coaster? Whee!
Is this fun, baby? Yes, it is. Is this fun? Say, talk
Nahilo
to
naman
me.
ako. I'm dizzy now.
No, you're not dizzy, are you?
The camera is dizzy.
Are you fun? Is this fun? Yes, it is.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Big D.
Yeah.
Hi, Big D.
Say hi.
Hi, Big D. I love you. Hi. What are you doing?
Come on, baby. Come
What are
on.
you doing?
Smile for mommy. Smile for the camera. Come on.
Dawson is, Brayden is still sleeping. Ayan, hinayaan ko lang muna siya. Kadarating lang namin dito sa bahay. Picture ni Bibi.
Can you hear him?
Yeah, I can hear
all kinds of
him.
roller coasters.
Ano yung salita ni Dawson?
We'll go ride roller coasters when you get bigger. Aren't we, baby? Yes, we are. Go all kinds of. We'll go to Kings Island. We'll go ride the Beast,
No, you're
the
not.
Vortex.
You're not riding any rides. That's not safe.
Yeah, we'll go ride a bunch of them.
Habang tulog yung kambal, tapos samantalahin ko, maliligo na ako kasi si Calbs, gabi na naman yun uuwi, ganun yun araw-araw kasi may game si Ashley. So pagkatapos niya mag-mow, pupunta siya sa game, tapos late na lagi natatapos. Tulog pa rin yung dalawa, pero ilalagay ko dito sa hallway para kita ko dito habang nagsishower ako. Nakatapos na ako mag-shower. Gising na pala yung dalawa, buti hindi umiiyak. Dawson seems so interested talaga dito sa decoration ng kanyang bouncer, and he's trying to reach it earlier. Inaabot na niya. At kapag nasasagi ng kamay niya, medyo natatakot siya. Tingnan niyo. Tumatawa. Tawa siya ng tawa dyan sa laruan. BBB is grumpy kasi kagigising lang. Hi, BBB. Well, mommy is gonna dress up and then we're gonna eat, okay? We're gonna eat after I put on my clothes. Tuwan-tuwa si Dawson. Look, baby. Look. Ah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh, baby. Are you pooping? Are you pooping? Hi, good morning. Are you pooping? Hi, baby B. Hi, baby B. I love you. I love you, baby. Ayan mo, doggy-chungis mo. Are you hungry? Okay, Mommy's going to put on clothes now and then we will eat, okay? Give me a smile first. Give me a smile. May muta ka pa. May muta ka pa. May muta pa ang baby bee ko. I heat up their milk. I got 2 Hungry Birds. Hungry Bird 1. Hungry Bird 2. Ayun si Dawson. May sariling mundo kasi entertain siya dyan sa laruan niya. Hindi siya kumikibo, nakatingin lang. And I'm going to put Brayden on his bouncer. Ayan, nagagalit na. Para sabay ko silang padidiin. Okay, I'm gonna put you on your bouncer and we can eat. Ayan, we're gonna go take a bath. Baby bee first kasi siya yung medyo... Hold on, I'm trying to turn on the lights. Yakap-yakap niya yung bear. Baby bee first because he is fussy. You like your toy? Do you like your toy? Ha? Oh, nilaglag na. Ayan, papaliguan ko na tong isa habang si Kuya Dawson niya ay nanonood ng TV. Tapos na po si Baby bee. Gustong kainin kamay. Sige, kainin mo yan. Kadidede lang yan. Ayun. They used to hate taking a bath, but now that they're older, they loved it. And this summer, we're probably gonna go to their grandparents, sa kanyang grandma and grandpa because they have a swimming pool. Ayan. Bibili kami ng swimming trunk. Ayan. Ang pugi na ni Baby bee. Ang cute ng paa, oh. Tapos na po ako maligo. Give me a smile, baby. Baby, give mommy a smile. Ayun na. Lalabas na yung smile. Napreskuhan na ang batang makulit. Are you makulit or mabait? Of course, I'm mabait, mommy. I am mabait, mommy. Nagigigil ako sa iyo, taba-ching-ching ka. Ayan, si kuya mo naman ang aking papaliguan, ha? Behave ka, ha? Tingnan natin si Dawson. Bago siyang kinakaaliwan ngayon, guys. Ito, oh. Ayan, itong laruan na to. Kahit siguro iwanan mo sila dito maghapon, nakatitig lang. Ipilit inaabot ni Dawson. Tuwa talaga sila dito, oh. Ayan, medyo na-entertain na sila ngayon, kaya nakakagawa na ako ng mga gawaing bahay. At ito ang kanyang bear. Tabebe. Let's go take a bath? Huh? Here comes Baby A. Ang taba-ching-ching. Yan. Mas malapad yung mukha ni Dawson kaysa kay Brayden. Kasi matakaw to eh. Okay, babies. Na kami. Yay! Here comes Baby A. Ayan. Tapos na siya magbihis. Kami ay pupunta sa living room at mag-stretch-stretch. Galit. Galit ka ba o natutuwa, ha? Pasigaw-sigaw ka pa dyan, baby, ha? Huwag mong sisigawan si mami. Huwag mong sisigawan si mami. Huwag mong sisigawan si mami, ha? Ayan, no, kinalmot mo ang iyong mukha. We need to cut your fingernails. Ayan ang dalawa. Ay, pareho kayong... Para kayong mga binata. Ha, binata na kayo, baby. Ayun, binata na ako. Ayan, iyak na naman si kuya. Inaantok kasi. Huy. Naduduling ka nakatingin sa tatay mo. Buti pa si Brayden, no? Tatawa-tawa lang, oh. Look at Brayden. Kuya Dawson. Look at Brayden. Hi, Kuya Dawson. Are you tired? I think Kuya Dawson is tired. Huh? Do you wanna sleep, baby? He didn't sleep, so I'm gonna put him to bed. You can take a nap. It's only... What time is it? 7, so you can... Tingnan mo tsura. Parang matanda si Brayden. Hi, baby.
Brayden's all relaxed, aren't
I
you, buddy?
know. Because he sleep long. He sleep from the sitter to like maybe 2 hours.
What? You sleep that long? What about you, little spiky hair?
He hasn't sleep yet. That's why. Yeah,
Look at your little
mohawk.
spiky hair.
Ang dami kasi ito si
That's
Brayden.
called a mohawk.
Look at Brayden is smiling.
What are you smiling about? I'm not even talking to you, baby. You laughing at your brother's hair? You're saying that's what happens when you got long hair. You can do goofy stuff with it. Or you
Cowboy's home na and he got a food. This is our dinner. Huwag mo itago. Pizza. We got Little Caesars pizza kasi nga late na. Ayan, oh.
Hopefully this weekend we'll cook something.
Yeah, whatever. And breadsticks. Breadsticks lang kakainin ko kasi I'm not really a fan of pizza. Sometimes I like to eat it, sometimes I don't. But I'm just gonna have breadsticks tonight and
I did cook chicken fried rice the other night.
Yeah.
So
Nagpapaliwanag pa.
It's
So the
so
twins
hard.
are like stretching right now and kasi lagi din sila higa sa bouncer, so kailangan mag-stretch sila ng kanilang mga
there's a
muscles.
couple of those things called like Home Chef and whatever. We thought about doing something like that, but I don't know if it would work out for us or not.
I don't know. So yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat and tomorrow is my day off kaya I'll be here for 3 days with my babies. Ayan, Good Friday kasi di tomorrow and we're probably gonna watch 10 Commandments if I can find it on TV.
I think I have it.
Oh, do you have it?
Mhm.
Can you?
You talking about like the old version?
Yeah.
Yeah, with Charlton Heston. Yeah, I got it. I think.
Okay. So, yun kasi 'di ba lagi kami nanonood nun sa probinsya kapag Biyernes Santo. So, yun lang guys. Bye everyone. Maraming salamat.
Bye.
Oh, 20,000 subscribers.
Yes, we're
Thank
gonna do a
you.
giveaway. It's even
Yeah.
up to like 22 or 20,200 now.
Yeah. So, we're
Very
gonna do
excited
a
about that.
giveaway soon. So, abangan nyo po yan. Bye everyone.
Bye.